This is Daniel at MadMounts. Here is a quick video to show you how to install your screen protector on your Atlas perfectly every time, and then put your Atlas computer in the protective case. Everything that you'll need to install your screen protector you'll find in this little kit, including installation instructions. In the kit you'll find the laser cut tempered glass itself, a mounting frame, and two cleaning products, one to remove residue and the other to remove dust. The first step is to snap the mounting frame onto your computer. You do so with the flanges on the top side. It's a tight fit, so just snap it on. This will ensure that your glass is affixed in the right position every time. Next, open the cleaning pad that will remove any residue, sunscreen, salt, anything that is on your screen. Then I like to clean it also with a lint-free cloth. This one is the type of cloth that you get with a pair of glasses or sunglasses. And then finally, take one of the dust removal stickers. There is a little tab on there that you can use as well, but it's really not necessary. And just go over the screen to make sure there isn't any dust that could get trapped between the screen protector and your computer's face. Once that's done, grab your glass, remove it, hold it by the edges. There's a piece of tape on the side that will stick to the unit. So you simply remove that backing, position the glass on your computer, starting at the bottom where the center button is, line it up there, and simply drop it into place. Then take your lint-free cloth and firmly press everything down to eliminate any air that would be between the screen protector and the computer face. When you're satisfied that you've removed all of the air between the two, you are done. Simply pop the frame off, dispose of that, and then you are ready to install your computer in the case. So to go in the case, find your safety leash, find the hole in the starboard bottom corner of your case, route the safety tether leash through that hole, and simply snap the unit into place. Simple as that. Now you're ready. From the entire MadMounts team, both in the United States and Europe, sail fast, sail safe, and now sail protected.